Welcome to the TD Insurance Melash Monex program, distributed by TD Insurance Direct Agency. If you're calling about a new or existing claim, press 1. If you're calling about a new or existing car policy, 2. If you're calling about a new or existing home policy, 3. If you're calling about travel insurance, 4. If you know the extension of the person you wish, if you currently have home insurance with us, please press 1. If you do not have home insurance with us and would like to obtain a quote or an insurance policy, if you require a copy of your proof of insurance or a tax letter, or if you have a billing or payment inquiry, please press 1. Otherwise, please stay on the line. Our wait times may be longer than anticipated. Did you know that you can easily and securely manage your billing 24/7 on My Insurance, including updating your credit card or banking information and changing your payment dates? It only takes 3 simple steps. Step 1, accept a link to My Insurance via text message. Step 2, navigate to our online services page to log in or create your My Insurance account. Step 3, select My Billing to review and make changes to your payment details. If you are calling from a mobile phone and would like to receive the link to access our online services via text message, press 1. Otherwise, please press 2 to remain on the line. We distribute the products of Security National Insurance Company, Primum Insurance Company, and TD General Insurance Company. Please note, inbound and outbound calls may be recorded for training purposes, to enhance customer service, security, and to confirm our discussions with you.
Hello?
Welcome to TD Insurance. Or is it really better? Can I have your name, please? Okay, let me check for you.
What's that?
Let me check.
Okay.
Can you hear me?
Yep.
Okay. Okay. Right?
Yes.
Correct me if I'm pronouncing it wrong. Okay. Are you an existing customer with us?
Yes, I am. The policy number for the home insurance is it's a home insurance that is going to start effectively from 19th of November.
19. Okay, that's weird. I am not finding your account here. And not the policy either. So that's the only policy that you have with us.
Yes. Home insurance.
Let me see, maybe
It's under my dad's name.
okay. If it's under your dad's name, that might be the same.
That's the one, yeah.
No. Okay, let me see if I have it under his account here. So,
That's correct.
Okay. Yeah, I'm not finding it. Can you give me a couple?
You just found my mom's name. How did you not find that?
Yeah, I have. So I have a name here, which is the.
Yeah, that's the insurance I'm talking about.
Yes, but I don't have any policies under her name.
Okay.
That's what I'm trying to say. So I can see an account here, but I don't see any policy under that name.
Because the policy under that name would be effectively from 19th of November 2021. It is not effective right now. That's why.
Okay. Can you? What about your dad's name?
My dad's name is.
Okay. Okay. Let me see. Okay, I found it. Okay. Okay. Yes, right now I found the policy, but I cannot do any transaction with you on the phone because you're not a named insured here. You're not a secondary holder of this account. You're not a named insured. It's only your mom and your dad. So I'm gonna have to speak to them to do any changes.
Okay, they can authorize. They can authorize and say yes, I can take over on behalf of them, right?
They can do that, but they have to be on the phone to say that.
Yeah. Okay. I will hand over my phone to my dad right now. Hey.
Hello?
Hello?
Yeah.
Hi. Firstly, I would like to inform you that your call will be recorded for training purposes in his customer service security and to confirm our discussions with you. I spoke previously with your son. Before I jump into that, I'm going to have to ask you some security questions, if that's okay.
Okay.
Okay. Can you please provide me with your date of birth? Okay, and how many insurance products do you have with us?
Home insurance.
Home insurance, and how often do you pay for your home insurance?
One time. Annually.
Excuse me?
One time annually.
Okay, one time annually. Okay, before you want to add your son as an account holder, right?
No, not at the moment. Anyway, my son, he can speak on behalf of me because I'm a retired senior. I have hand over everything for him to handle.
Okay, got it. Okay, before we jump into that, I'm going to have to play a recorded message, but I will remain on the line with you during this message. You listen to the message carefully, and then you can tell me whether you agree or not.
Please listen carefully to the following information. If you have any questions, please let your advisor know at the end of this message. You confirm that each person named on this account is aware that information about them may be discussed during our conversation and that they are in agreement with the purposes for which their information is being collected, used, and disclosed. You understand that you and any other person named on this account are each authorized to perform transactions on this account, except canceling or issuing a policy where someone is not a named insured, and that we may share information with all of you. Thank you for listening.
Do you agree?
Yes.
Okay, perfect. So right now, give me a second. Okay. I'm going to have to play another recorded message for you.
Your advisor can answer questions at the end of this message, as set out in our privacy agreements, which will be included with your insurance policy package. You agree that we may share your personal information with our worldwide affiliates and insurers. We may also use your information to identify you, provide you with ongoing service, market products and services, protect us both from fraud and error, comply with legal and regulatory requirements. We may also obtain information about you from credit reporting agencies when and where permitted by law to verify your identity and to perform a risk analysis. In addition, the information from credit reporting agencies may be used for underwriting purposes to determine your eligibility and your premium for home and auto insurance, as well as your eligibility to a payment plan. We may communicate with you for any of these purposes by telephone, text messaging, or other electronic means at the numbers you've provided us, or by internet, mail, email, and other methods. Thank you.
Hello?
Hello, do you agree?
Yes, I agree.
Okay. Right now you can pass it to, and I can ask some information, and then I can go on to answer one of his questions. Is that okay?
Okay. Anything else?
Okay, perfect. No, thank you so much. Thank you.
Okay. Hello?
Okay. Hi. So how do you pronounce your first name? Okay, and your last name? Okay. And can you please provide me with your date of birth? And can you please provide me with your employment status? Are you employed, self-employed, student, or unemployed?
Employed right now.
Okay. And what do you do? What's your occupation? Excuse me? Okay. Got it. Okay. May I ask you the employer name, like the company that you work for? E2? Got it. And are you married, single, divorced, or common law?
I'm.
Common law?
What's that?
So your marital status?
Why are we asking all these questions? My dad has already authorized everything for me, so what's the issue here?
I have to ask you as an account holder.
Okay.
And I cannot ask you if I don't ask you this question. That's why. And can you please provide me with your phone number? Okay.
By the way, I've spoken to call this line before, and I was able to get my dad authorized, and then right off the bat, I was able to start having conversation. I didn't have to go through fill out information, but just so you know. Anyways, go ahead.
Okay, and the address is the same address that I have here, right?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. And the postal code is...
Yes.
Got it. Okay. Okay. Okay, so right now you're an account holder, second account holder of this policy. So you can call us and you can make changes.
Okay.
You're calling for, as you told me, not I think, you called me for your home policy, which is going to start on 15th.
Which is going to be starting on the 19th of November 2021, and I would like to go ahead and...
Yes.
Yep. Yeah. However, I am going to have decided and then to make a decision that I'm going to cancel this policy.
You're going to cancel this policy?
Yes, please.
Okay, may I ask you why?
Because you guys, on the time when was the one who provided the codes to me, very clearly mentioned that there was going to be a discount applied, which would mean premium before tax would be 660, and after tax, she did not apply 8% tax. She applied, I don't know, whatever percent, around 13-ish, and the total came up to be 740 something-ish. And when the invoice came to me, it shows that it's 692 and not 660 as I promised or said over the phone. I raised the issue up, and I have the phone recordings too to prove that that's what was said on the phone. However, the people, the management level disagree, and they think that there's nothing wrong, so they're not going to make any changes. I'm sick and tired of the dishonesty going on around, so I'm out.
Okay. Do you want me to do a coverage review before I cancel it, or you made up your mind?
Please go ahead and cancel it. Nothing's going to change my mind now.
Okay. And the reason was because another agent told you the wrong premium.
Please go ahead and put in a cancellation.
Okay, for sure. Okay, just a second. Okay, so for me to cancel the policy, I have to talk to your dad. I cannot cancel the policy with you. Even you're a secondary holder, I have to talk to the primary.
Okay.
Your dad.
Okay.
Just discuss with that to me, and I can make the cancellation. Hello?
Yeah, I'm going downstairs. My dad is not right beside me right now. You guys make it really difficult for me, eh? Okay.
I'm sorry, but these are the rules I have to follow them.
Yeah. Okay. You have my phone. My dad is hanging on the phone right now with you.
Yes?
Oh, thank you so much.
Yeah? What do you want to speak to?
Hello, once again, I would like to inform you that your call will be recorded for training purposes to enhance customer service, security, and to confirm our discussions with you.
Yeah.
Am I speaking with...
Yes, I'm speaking.
Okay, perfect. So as I spoke with your son, you want to cancel the policy, right?
Yes.
Okay. So can you confirm with me and say it that you want to cancel the policy?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Give me a second. Okay, perfect. Right now I'm going to have to put you on hold because my supervisor has to receive this cancellation, and as soon as he agrees with it, we're all good. But
What do you mean he has to agree with the cancellation? We are a customer here.
Yes,
We have
yes.
the right to cancel.
I know. It's just that I'm still a new hire, and they have to double check everything that I do, and if the process was okay or
please
not.
proceed.
That's all. But you have to stay on the phone because I cannot cancel the policy if you're not on the phone.
Okay.
Okay. So I'm gonna have to put you on hold. And I'll be back. Okay. Hello?
Yes.
Hi. So I just canceled the policy. So from now on, you don't have a policy with us anymore. Is there anything else that I can help you with today?
No, I'm good.
Okay, perfect. I hope you have a lovely day. Bye-bye.